this skill, it will be on a real person, so they will be able to turn for you. He's not able to do that, but anyway. State exam loves to put the top sheets up to the shoulder area, and so that's where you will find the actor. If they're in the bed under the sheet will be at the shoulder level. I can promise you that, okay? This is the testing area for state, so everything from this bed over on this side belongs to this. That table belongs to that bed over there, okay? So, I'm the student, I'm one of you, and this is my state skill. All right, so, knock knock, good morning, how are you? My name is Robbie, and I'm a nursing assistant. Would now be a good time to go ahead and change your bed linen, and notice I'm not touching anything. Awesome, I'm gonna wash my hands, gather my supplies, and then we'll get started. So I would step, and if this were my second skill, I would actually have to go in the bathroom and do that hand washing technique with real water, like I showed y'all yesterday. Now my hands are sanitized. Now I can approach the state examiner's cart. And I'm gonna get my linens. I'm gonna get a fitted bottom sheet. This is a top sheet. I'm gonna find my fitted bottom sheet. Now her cart is much bigger and very well organized, so you won't have to struggle with it. And I need my pillowcase. And I'm gonna go ahead and get a bath blanket. I'm gonna use a bath blanket. I'm gonna hold the linens away from my body, and I'm also gonna go ahead and grab my hamper. All right. I'm gonna place my linens on the overbed table. And I would pull my curtain for privacy.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's okay. Why don't you come over here, sweetie? So I pull my curtain for privacy, okay? And they want you to pull the curtain for privacy. Now I'm in the testing area, so I can't go, because I've touched the curtain, I can't go back to the state person's cart unless I do what? There you go. Now you don't want to go touching the call bell and the bed controls with gloved hands. So I'm going to take my call bell and I'm going to put it out of the way so it doesn't fall on the floor. And I'm going to go ahead and raise the bed for my body mechanics. You guys will get to play with the beds after break. So I'm going to put the bed up, all right? So you doing okay today? Awesome. And they expect you to do this. They expect you to communicate. Okay, you don't need gloves to put the bath blanket on top. But once I start removing dirty linen, they're going to want you to put gloves on. So this is my bath blanket. I'm going to apply this bath blanket to you so that you're nice and warm and you're not exposed while I'm making your bed, okay? All right, good. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and put my gloves on. We're going to go ahead and get started and remove this dirty linen. They like the word soiled. So we're going to remove this soiled linen. Woo! Okay, so here's where it comes in. If this will be a real person, so they can technically hold this while you remove the top sheet, okay? So we'll pretend that they're holding this. All right, so we're gonna get this sheet out of the way. And I'm gonna go ahead and roll it up, okay? All righty, good. You doing okay? Good. If I can kind of get you to scoot this direction for me, which they will do, a real person can do. Okay, and I'm going to get you to roll to your side, okay? All right, on the count of 3, 1, 2, and 3, and a real person would do this. If I get somebody to just, thank you so much. Okay, now they want to see you reposition the pillow. Okay, still doing okay? Now this is where the bottom sheet, you just undo it. you're gonna roll it underneath them. All right, you still doing okay over there? Good. Now you don't want any part of the person touching this plastic. That's a big crucial point, okay? So now I'm gonna get my clean fitted bottom sheet, and it goes on just like you would put your fitted sheet on at home, okay? Keep in mind, you don't want any linen falling to the floor. If it does, she's gonna tag you. These things look identical on both sides. That's the way. I've seen sheets quite like this before, but these are the ones they use. So you gotta be careful when you're tucking this. All right, and it goes underneath.
Excuse me.
Nope, see the tag? I had it wrong. Okay, I've made a mistake. May I correct it?
Yes.
That's exactly what you tell the state person. Okay, we're gonna turn this over. These are the wonky kind of sheets. All right, sorry about that. All right, so we're gonna fix that. Make sure we got that right. Okay.